Hey guys, DJ Skull AC here. Sorry about the big hiatus that I've been doing. But I'm here and I'm alive. So I'm going to be talking to you about 3D printed filters. 3D printed filters are not to be used for actual CBRN threats. No. These filters that are 3D printed are meant to be props. If you want to, like, do some stuff. Like, go film or something. I use 3D printed filters because there are some filters that do contain asbestos. So, yeah. This is a 3D printed version of the GP5 gas mask filter. So, they're they're really cool. I made this myself. Let me demonstrate it to you on multiple masks. Like this gas mask. This gas mask takes 40 millimeter gauze, and this filter fits just fine onto it. So, in terms of safety of filters, this one's good to go. So, I will show you a different mask. And here's a different mask. The GP7V gas mask with a 3D printed GP5 filter. So yeah, in general summary, use 3D printed filters for like filming and stuff. Don't use it for actual CBRN threats. So yeah. And I like to think that 3D printed filters is always good for you to do stuff with. Like, it could be used for dust filters or anything like that. But not anything that are CBRN related. So, alright guys, this is Skull AC signing off. Goodbye everybody.